What's up everyone watching? My name's Justin and I'm going to be unboxing some stuff about online. I bought a couple things, but these are the stuff that has come by so far. Basically there's a bunch of belts, but I bought a couple of them. So I'm going to be able to compare them for you. My friend told me to make sure I have a pen knife, but I forgot this time around. So, this is the first one. Thank you. Thank you. I have a knife here, what do you know? Makes life so much easier. You know, if you guys are ever unboxing stuff, yeah, make sure you have a knife. Okay, so this is what I have here. Do you think it'll fit? Yeah, I think it can fit. It can fit. Maybe I might have to punch another hole because I'm super duper skinny. But overall, everything looks pretty in good shape. This is what the design kind of looks like. This is the head. I got another camera here in case you're wondering. I'm not showing it to nobody. That's the first one. Let's see what the other ones look like. Crystal waiting. This is much longer than the other one actually, I think. All I can say thus far is that if you ever do unboxing, you really should have a freaking knife. The last time I did one, it took me like 20 minutes just to get through all of the tape. This is what the other one looks like. Okay, this one they really folded it like really weirdly. This one they have that the whole ridge thing going on, so you kind of just like slip it in, and then kind of pull it tight. So I think this one is actually safer lah. Safer if like I didn't get to measure my waistline for it. So that one's pretty nice too. This is the last one that I'm going to be doing right now. Whatever. Oh, so cute. Dear VIP customer. Well, at least I know who to complain to. This baby here. Ooh, I like this one. This is the one that I was looking forward to. I just find the head looks nicer like than the other one. I feel like live you guys can really judge how I'm unboxing stuff. Like if I don't know how to cut through plastic, I feel so much judgment for everybody. Actually, I like this one the best. Like, even though it was folded up, the belt itself is not very bent. This one, the quality feels the best actually. The type of belt that you kind of put through. It's not the one with the holes punched into it. It's more of the one that you kind of put that through and then you kind of slide it. I actually much prefer these belts. They are way more convenient to put on and take off. I'm not gonna put them on for you because I'm not a model that way. That's another kind of video. Basically, these are the three belts that I got. This one, and this one. This is the one that I really wanted. These are just two because like the other belt that I had kind of like shedded, like it literally just disintegrated into like 3 different pieces. So I just had extra in case. That's all for this time's unboxing. I will be doing others like some board games lined up. Couple poker chip sets, so those are the stuff that I'm going to unbox later on. This is just for kind of like a teaser. Thank you for taking the time to watch me unbox some stuff. Till next time guys, bye bye. That was the unboxing for just now. You know, this camera doesn't really belt. I shall see you the next time. Bye bye.